This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 4831. The chassis is a 2015 Ford F550 Super Duty XLT. The cab to axle dimension is 108 inches. The mileage is 185,300. It has factory 4-wheel drive and is an AEV body in excellent condition. It has LED lighting inside and out. It also has liquid ride, which has a dump enable function to facilitate lower load height and great ride and handling. It is a 2015 Ford F550 Super Duty XLT. It has a 6.7 liter turbo diesel engine. The body configuration is left front L number 1 oxygen. It also has an oxygen bracket in the compartment. L number 2 has an adjustable shelf. Another could be added if that was helpful. Left rear compartment houses a spare tire. Also has storage for a stair chair and also inside-outside access. It has a flip-up rear step, and it also has a dump which actuates with the rear door open. The interior configuration is left side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage behind, below, and above. The power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It has a lock box ahead of the action area, also an area to mount radios. It has central air in the ceiling for heat and AC, LED interior lighting and fluorescent lighting. It is a Type 1 with a 3/4 walk-through configuration. The console has a multiplexing control system, siren head. Unit also has air horns, 12-volt outlet in the cab, storage for beverages and documents, glove containers, inside-outside access to the ALS cabinet, storage above the squad bench, 4-point harnesses on both the squad bench seats and also left side attendant seat. It has a striker floor rail, which would facilitate either mounting of a power auto loading cot or traditional antlers and rear hook. Backboard storage is on the right rear. It also has a small storage compartment. R number 2 between the backboard and the wheel well. ALS cabinet, right front R number 1, inside-outside access. It has 2 adjustable shelves. Battery storage. On a slide-out tray. 1 battery in the compartment and 1 under hood. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 4831, please call 1833 remount, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.